So while I was at AWE 2026, RayNeo invited me to their back room and they showed me three of their products. One of them was futuristic. The other one sort of just blew me away because I didn't expect that from RayNeo. And the third one is a future product that would probably release sometime next year. I'm sorry if there's a lot of noise. I am recording with the Luna Ultra, which is the Insta360's newest camera, and I am doing some low light shots and also trying to capture some dynamic range. But anyway, the first glasses that RayNeo showed me was the RayNeo X3 Pro. This glasses it's an AI glasses that has dual micro LED waveguide displays. I hope I pronounced that right. But basically, it's an AI glasses that has a camera in the middle and it has micro LEDs that happens to be waveguides. So which means that from the outside looking in, you can't really see the display as much. I mean, you can sort of see it from certain angles, but basically while you're looking at it though, you can see a very clear picture. And in my case, I was able to see like a really good display, especially for the form factor. Now, one of my friends, whose name is Eric, who also has a YouTube channel, he actually showed me how he was able to run YouTube on the glasses, and the video was playing and everything, all while wearing the glasses. You can see everything. That is incredible. Now, RayNeo themselves showed me a demo where I was able to look at somebody and the glasses recognized who I was looking at. In fact, I think that the RayNeo glasses, if you put it on, you can actually look at someone like me or look at someone like maybe MKBHD or something. Because they have a YouTube channel, their face is already there. It's gonna automatically pull up the information for that person. I thought that was pretty incredible. You can also look at things like plants or fruits or snacks. For example, I was looking at some almonds and I asked it how many calories is in there. It was able to look at it and tell me exactly what I was looking at and how many calories was in there and things like that. So it has a spatial understanding using those cameras. Now it has Gemini Live in there as well. So Gemini is what's powering the AI, which is pretty incredible. I hope I can get my hands on that glasses and maybe do a review for you guys and just show you guys what this thing is capable of. I thought it was pretty futuristic. Now it's not cheap, but if you see the amount of tech that is packed in there, I think it may be worth it for some of you. Now the second one that RayNeo showed me was kind of, it felt like it was out of nowhere because RayNeo has been known to make a lot of budget XR glasses and stuff like that. So to see this one with full 3 dove capabilities, I was blown away. So this is the RayNeo GT Max. This glass is Chinese only glasses, so it's not sold in the state. It is very similar to the X3 One Pro and the Vitra Beast. Can you believe that RayNeo has glasses that is capable of 3 dove? Correction, just 3 dove, no 6 dove. So 3 dove capabilities, and this thing has a 59 degrees field of view. 59 degrees field of view. Super light. It has Bang & Olufsen sound system. But once again, it is Chinese only. I wish you guys could get to see this. I wish we had this in the state, but once again, Chinese only, unfortunately. And then the third glasses that it showed me is actually something very similar to what I have on my face, which is the Inmo Go 3. Inmo Go 3 is a glasses that is an AI glasses that has cameras on the side, and it has those green displays, those monochrome displays. Well, with the with the RayNeo glasses, actually, I can't tell you what it has, but it's somewhat similar to what Inmo has to offer. So if you're looking for things like that, I mean, it's already on RayNeo's website, so you can go on their website and take a look, and see what kind of information that you might be able to get. But anyway, guys, I am very excited just seeing that RayNeo is capable. They don't just do budget glasses because they can't. It's more so because they don't want to in the States here. If you want a glasses that looks like the Vicha Beast or the X3 One Pro, RayNeo has that. The unfortunate thing is they don't have that in the market here in the state. So you might have to import it, or maybe go to China or something, go on a vacation and use the opportunity to get one of those glasses. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.